How are you all? I hope all are well. In the previous class, we learned about exercise 2.1 H-main. Now I will start I-main. What is there in the I-main? Count in fives to write the next 5 numbers. Okay, see, count in fives to write the next 5 numbers. First one, 7305. Okay, next 7310. 7315.
Wait.
Dash, dash, dash. See, 7305, 7310, 7315. You should observe it. In a ones place only it's changed. Understand? Count in fives to write the next 5 numbers. 7305. You should add 5 in the ones place. Okay, 5 plus 5, 1 carry, 10. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 as it is, 7 as it is. So, we should add 5, a number will come for the next 7310. 7310, you should add off 5 because you have to count the 5 number. 0 plus 5, 5 and 1 as it is and 3 as it is and 7 as it is. So, the number is 7315. See, the next number is 7315. Next, 7350, you should add off the number. Means you have to count the 5 next number. 5 plus 5 means 10. 1 carry, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 3 as it is, 7 as it is. The next number is 7320 means 7320. Next, 7320 plus 5. So, 0 plus 5, 5, 2 as it is, 3 as it is, 7 as it is. The next number is 7325. Next, 7325 you should add how much number? 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 0, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 as it is, 7 as it is. The final 7330. So, now you have to learn first one 7305 after 10. 10 after 15. You should observe the ones and tens place. 15 after 20, 20 after 25, 25 after 30. See, we have to count only 5 of the next 5 number. Understood? Shall I go for the second one? Next, second question, 4280 dash, 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 dash. Okay. Next, 4280. Count in fives means you have to add in the 5 of ones place. 0 plus 5, 5, 8 as it is, 2 as it is, 4 as it is. What is the next number of this? 4285. Understood? 80 after 85. First observe ones and tens place. Okay. In a ones place 0, here tens place 5. Next. 4285 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry, 0. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 as it is, 4. Means the next number is 4290. Okay, 85 after 90. Next, 4290 plus 5. 0 as it is 9, 2, 4. 4295. Okay, next 4295 plus of 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 carry, 0 down. 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4. 4300. 4,300. Next, 4,300 add of 5. 0 plus 5, 5, 0, 3, 4. So, 4,305. See, 4,280, 80 after 85, 85 after 90, 90 after 95, 90 after 0. Means next number means 300 came, 300 after 305. This is the count in the far to right of the next 5 numbers. Understood? Shall I go for the next question? 8,150. See how many dashes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you should write in textbook, children's. Yes, 8,150 plus or 5. In one's place only you should add 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 8. 8,120. 5 after 10. 10 means it will become 20. Because you have to put the carry, no? Yes. 8,120 plus or 5. 5, 2, 1, 8. 8,125. I think you are understood. What about the next number? 8,125 after you should add in one's place of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry. 0 down. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1, 8. 8,130. 8,130. Next, 8,130 plus of 5. You only add the 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3, 1, 8. So, 8,135. 8,135 plus of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1, 8. 8,140. See, the ones place only you should check. Ones and tens place is changed. 5 after 10 will be 10 means you have to put the carry, no. So 1 become 2. 8,120 after 25, 25 after 30, 35, 30 after 35, 35 after 40. Understood? You have to count in the fives to write the next number of 5 numbers. Understood? Yes. Next, J-main. Next, J-main. What is there in the J-main, kids? Yes. Count in tens to write the next 5 numbers. Yes, listen. Count in tens to write the next 5 numbers. Means you have to count only the tens place. First question. 5, 4, 2, 0. Already first one is given. 5, 4, 3, 0. 5, 4, 4, 0. Next, dash, dash, dash. See, first you observe 5, 4, 2, 0. In a tens place means 2 and 2 is there, no? You have to add off that 10 number. Yes, 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 4 as it is 5. So, the next number is 5430 means 5,430 came. In a tens place only you should observe, children. 20 after 30, 30 after 40. So, next 5430. You want next number, no? You should add off the before number and add off 10 of the tens place. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 as it is 5. The next number is 5440. Already came. So, what about the next number? You want next number? No, you in the before number you should add in a tens place of 10 plus of 10. 0, 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 as it is 5. So, the next number is 5450 means 5,450. You want next number. What you should do now? Yes, add of 10 in a tens place. 5,450 plus of 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4, 5. Yes, 5460 means 5,460. So, you want last number. Okay, what you should do? Yes, add of 10 of tens place. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 as it is, 5. Yes, 5, 4, 7, 0. See kids, or you should observe in the tens place. 5, 4 as it is, in the same number is there in all sides. But in the tens place only is changed. 20 after 30, 30 after 40, 40 after 50, and 50 after 60, 60 after 70. Understood? Yes. You have to count in the tens to write the next prime number. So next I will go for the next next one, second one. Children, 6, 1, 7, 5 there. So next dash, 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 dash. 5 numbers you should write. Okay. Yes. 6, 1, 7, 5. You should add 10. Okay, you have to 10 to write off the next 5 number. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 1, 8, 6, 1 has it is 6. What is the next number? 6, 1, 8, 5. 6, 1, 8, 5 after which number you want? You don't know. So what you should do? 6, 1, 8, 5 plus of 10. Okay, 5, 8 plus 1, 9, 1, 6. 6, 1, 9, 5. 6, 1, 9, 5 you had to add plus of 10. So 5, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 2, 6. 6, 2, 0, 5. Next, 6, 2, 0, 5 plus of 10. 5, 1, 2, 6. 6,215. 6,215 plus of 10. 5, 2, 2, 6. 6, 2, 2, 5. See, you should observe children, 75 in the 75, 75 after 85, 85 after 95. This is the one part. Okay, 95 after, see, observe it. 9 plus 1, 10. You have to put one carry and 0. So 95 plus of 10 means, next number means 205. 6,205. 205 after 15. 15 after 25. Yes, understood. Next, third one. Next, third one, 7,317. Next, dash, 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 dash. See children, what you should do? Yes, you don't know anything, no? What you had to do? Yes, you had add of 10 in the tens place. 1 place 0, in a tens place 1. So, what is there? See, the question is there, you had to count in the tens place. Okay, in a tens place means, ones place you have to take 1, in a tens place 10. Automatically you know how to do, how to take for this one. Yes, in a 7 plus 0, 7, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 in the 3 and 7 as it is. What is the next number of this? 7,227. Yes, 7,327 plus of 10. Yes, 7 plus 0, 7, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3, 7. Yes, 7, 3, 3, 7. You should add, you should observe it. In a ones and tens place only is changed, not a 100 and 1000 place. Same as there in a 100 and 1000 place. Only is changed tens and ones place. Next, 7,337 plus of 10. 7 plus 0, 7, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 and 7. 7,347. Understood? Next, 7,347 plus of 20 or 10. Yes, 10 only you should take because that 10s only you have to count. 7 plus 0, 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 and 7. Okay? 3, 4, 3, 5, 7. 4, 3, 5, 7 plus of 10. Yes, sorry, 7, 3, 5, 7. Yes, in a 7 plus 0, 7, 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 as it is and 4 as it is. Sorry, this is a 7,357, no children? Yes, 7,367. 7,367. See, see, first only you observing ones and tens place. 17 after 27, 27 after 37, 37 after 47, 47 after 57, 57 after 67. Okay, you had to count in the tens to write the next 5 numbers. Already you had to write the next 5 numbers. Understood? Yes. Next I will go for the K-main. K-main. What is there in the K-main, children? Yes, read with me. Count in hundreds. Already you had to finish tens and ones place. Okay, now 100 is there. Already you know how to write that. Yes. Count in 100 to write the next 5 numbers. See, in 100 place only you should change. Okay. Yes. What is their first question? Yes. Tell me. 3, 1, 2, 0. 3, 1, 2, 0 after 3, 2, 2, 0. In a textbook only given that answer. Next. 3, 3, 2, 0. Yes. Next is dash, dash, dash. Which place you have to change, children? See, in 100 place only. First, I will show 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. In 100 place only you should change. No, see, first you had to add 100 of the next number. You want next number? No, you had to add of the 100 place. In 100 place you should write only 100 number. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 2, 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 as it is, 2 plus 0, 2, 0 plus 0, 0 only. See, already came no the next number. Yes, you want next number. See how it will come. 3, 2, 2, 0. In 100 place only you should add. 0 plus 0, 0, 2, 3, 3. Came no? 3, 3, 2, 0. Yes. Next, 3, 2, 3, 2, 0. You had to add of 100. You had to change for the 100 place only, no? Yes, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 1, 4 and 3. What is the next number of this? 3, 4, 2, 0 means 3420. 3420 in 100 place only you put at 0, 1. Okay, in 100 place you have to write 0, 2, 0, 2, 4 plus 1, 5 and 3 as it is. What is the next number? 3, 5, 2, 0. Next, 3, 5, 2, 0 plus of 100. 0, 2, 6, 3. 3, 6, 2, 0. Listen, children, in 100 place only you should observe. In 100 place here 1, here 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6. Okay, you have to count in the 100 to write off the next 5 numbers. 120 after 220. Leave it for this. 220 after 320. 320 after 420. And 420 after 520. And 520 after you should add up 100. 620. Got it? So, but now here 3 is there. Means 3000 place is there. No. 3120 after 3 as it is. Okay, and I think you are understood. In 100 place only you had to write and count the numbers. Okay, next I will go for the second one. Second one, 7098. Okay, the next number only you should write, kids. 5 numbers you have to write, no? Yes. What you should do, you have to change for the 100 place only. 7098 plus of 100. 8, 9, 1, 7. What is the next number of this? 7198. Next, 7198 plus of 100. 8, 9, 2, 7. 7298. What about next? 7298 plus of 100. Okay, 8, 9, 3, 7. What is the next number? 7398. Next, 7398 plus of 100. 8, 9, 4, 7 means 7498. Next 7598. I will write directly. So how it will come? 7498 plus of 100. 8, 9, 5, 7. 7598. Understood? See, here 0 after 1 came, 1 after 2 came, 2 after 3 came, 3 after 4, 4 after 5. We have to write in the 100 place. Understood? Yes. I will go for the next question. Third question.
Ready.
Next, 8475 is the case. Dash, 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 dash. Yes. 8475, you have to add up 100. 5758 means 8575. See, in a 4 after 5 came. Understood? 8575 plus of 100. So, what is the next number of this? 5 plus 1, 6 means 8675. 6 after 7 means 8 as it is. In a 6 after 7, 75. Understood? 8675 plus of 100. See, the next number already I will write 8775. Next, 8775 plus of 100. 5788. 8875. Next, 8875 plus of 100. We have to count the next 5 numbers, no? 5, 7, 9, 8. 8975. See, you should just observe it. In a 100 place only you have to count for the next 5 numbers, no? 4 after 5. Okay, 5 after 6. 6 after 7. 7 after 8. 8 after 9. Okay, see, in a 100 place only you should observe and write it. Got it? Yes, I will go for the next K main in the place. Okay. Next, L main children, last main, count with me. Yes, write with me. Count in 1000. Yes, which place you have to change now? 1000 place. To write the next 5 numbers. Next 5 numbers. See, first only I will do, second and third one you only do, children. See, first one, listen it carefully. 1490 dash 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 dash. I will show only one problem only I will show. Second and third one is there, no? You only do, children. Yes. First one, 1490 is there. See, count in 1000. In a 1000 place only you should write. Okay. The 1000 place is there in 1, no? Yes. 1000. Already tens over, ones over, tens over, 100 over. The last but one is 1000. You should add 1000 only. The next number of this given number. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. And 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. The 1000 place 1 is there. Now it's changed. In a 1 place after 2, 1 become 2 because you have to add the 1000. 2490. It is very easy and write it carefully. 2490 add of 1000. Okay, in a 1000 place only you should write. Count the next 5 numbers, no? 0, 9, 4, 3. See, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3490. Okay, see, ones as it is, tens as it is, and 100 as it is. In 1000 place only change. 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4. See, children, 1 after 2, 2 after 3. In a 1000 place only you should change. Yes, 3 after 4, 4490. I will write directly because in a 1000 case only we have to change the numbers, no? Yes, in a 4 after which number will come? 5, 5490. In a ones, tens, 100 place same as it is, but 1000 place only you should change. 4 after 5, 5 after 6, 6490. Understood? Yes. For 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6. See, I will change only the 1000 place. You have to count and write the next 5 numbers of the 1000. Understood? Yes. Second and third one is there, no kids. You only do yourself. Don't copy for others and don't write wrong. Okay. If you have any doubt, call me and contact me. Okay. Bye.